In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round up numbers in Excel. Open the Excel workbook that contains the data you want to work with. Once the sheet is visible, go to cell C1 at the top of the third column. Click into that cell and type units to order. Say it naturally as you enter it, units then to, then order. Press enter, and Excel moves you down into cell C2, which is where the formula will go. With cell C2 selected, type the ROUNDUP formula shown on screen. As you enter it, you are telling Excel to take the value from cell B2 and round it up to a whole number. The formula uses two parts, or arguments. The first is the number you want to round, and the second is how many digits you want to keep. Here, the second value is 0, which means round up to the nearest whole integer. That is why a value like 4.2 becomes 5 instead of staying a decimal. After typing the formula, press enter to confirm it. The result in C2 now appears as a whole number that has been rounded up from the value in B2. Click back on cell C2 so it is selected again, because this is the cell you will copy down through the rest of the column. Move your pointer to the small green square in the bottom right corner of cell C2. This is called the fill handle. When you hover in exactly the right spot, the cursor changes into a thin black plus sign. Click and drag that fill handle straight down to cell C9, then let go. Excel copies the same formula pattern down the column, adjusting the row reference as it goes, so each product row gets its own rounded up result in column C. Now click through the cells in column C and compare them with the original values in column B. Make sure each decimal has been rounded up rather than rounded to the nearest integer. If B5 shows 12.5, then C5 should display 13. If B8 shows 22.1, then C8 should display 23. Keep checking down the list until all the values match that same rounding up behavior. At this point, column C contains 8 whole number order quantities: 5, 7, 4, 13, 9, 16, 23, and 1. The decimals from column B have all been rounded up, so no partial units remain. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick